have a fire.
You son of a biscuit eating fawn. So I'd say it and she's like,
A lightning bolt just struck the tree like right next to us. Logan yeeted his headband.
Yeah, I yeeted my headband by sitting up so fast.
Did not get struck by lightning, but we just very nearly got struck by lightning. That's what he said.
that's what he said.
Really playing in the sky today.
Honey, just look back here and look cute.
There you go.
Yeah.
The music ended whenever I opened up my stupid video.
Do something fun. Yeah, there you go.
Oh no, I lost it. Recover, save it.
Never give
Save
up.
it, never give up, never give up. Oh,
Everyone rules
I didn't give up. I didn't give up, I just died. I just died. You never gave up. You're out to win it, baby.
Oops.
Oh, it's the crunchy one.
Well, it's like not right above your head. It's like fucking 6 feet above your head. Oh, honey. Be careful.
I'm being very careful.
Okay. Oh shit, babe.
I'm okay. I also want to be very careful.
Close.
Crashed into a tree.
Yeah, I literally crashed it. Good catch. Yeah. All right, now catch her. She's more important. Thank you for climbing up in the tree.
You are a good tree climber.
I've not been in that tree. I have not for you. Thank you.
Honey,
We got Robert on a Segway going through everything.
What?
I got it.
Oh, thanks.
Honey,
What?
I got it.
Oh, thanks.
Gdy serce drgnie, ledwo drgnie, a już się wie, że to właśnie ten i tylko ten.
Brawo, mamusia.
Logan, how's it going?
Pretty good.
Yeah, going skydiving.
Hell yeah.
Nice. What's the special occasion?
Just felt like it.
Doing it?
Yeah.
That's a good
My
reason.
girlfriend finally decided that this was the weekend.
Hell yeah. Good day to do it.
Hell yeah.
So you're all geared up, ready to go?
Jump in on this.
You guys got your training, you know what to do?
Hell yeah.
Yep.
All right. Well, we're headed out pretty much right now. You want to say anything? Say hi to anybody before we go?
No. I don't have anything.
Yeah, right on. All right, well, you guys have fun. I'll talk to you in the plane, okay?
All right.
Damn.
Damn.
Yo.
Damn.
Yeah, Logan, nice job.
Fuck yeah.
What'd you think?
That was ridiculously fucking cool. I'm so
Good
glad that I
stuff,
did that
huh?
at least once, but I definitely don't want to just do it that time. Super sick.
Right on. So tell me in 1,000 words or less, what do you have to say about skydiving?
Well, it was about 5 seconds before I jumped out of the plane that my heart started racing. I was like chill until we like slid forward just a little bit, and I was like, fuck.
Yeah, you're right, at the edge of the door.
Yeah, and usually I'm like camera shy. Like I almost didn't want to get the video package because I didn't want to be like the center of attention or anything.
Yeah.
But you, like, there is no inhibition about falling through the fucking air.
Yeah.
And like, having
Don't
never
care.
experienced something like that before, I was just like, yeah.
Well, nice job. Congratulations, you made it safe and sound.
How was it?
Phew.
Super sick.
Thanks for coming out, bro. Hopefully we'll see you out here again.
Yeah, dude.
Dude.
For sure.
Oh my.